Good morning, guys. What a lovely morning it is. Time for some coffee and noodles for breakfast. I'm excited about today. It's gonna be fun to ride up to Røros. Today I am having the fruity bean. I'm feeling fruity, but today it's too warm, too hot to do the grinder dance. Ooh. Oh, smells so nice. Breakfast ready. Right now I am in a place called Hanestad, next to the river Glomma. And if I drive the highways, I'm probably an hour and a half, 2 hours away from my destination in Røros. But since I'm going on the gravel, it's probably gonna take me 5 or 6 hours, I'm guessing. But today is gonna be just a chill day in the forests on the gravel. I don't really have any plans other than to see some nice views and ride some gravel roads, basically. And then I plan on having a coffee when I get to Røros. But first, breakfasts and coffee. Coffee is ready! Time for the knock. Isn't that beautiful? I love watching the crust break up like that. Awesome. What a way to wake up. This is enjoyable. Sun, warm weather, waking up in nature. I can get used to this. Camp is packed up and I'm ready to hit the trail. It was a long morning. it's almost 1 o'clock now. So I just I had a very chill morning. But with the weather like this, and it's 25 degrees now, I didn't want to stress anything. Let's go! This road is pretty challenging. And I am so glad that it is dry now. Imagining what the rainy season in Africa would look like when I see this. A gate. Okay. Looks like I can just open it. That was easy. Snowmobile sled. You can put kids or passengers in. Oh, wait. Go in here. Nice old bridge, pretty small.
this is super nice. This is very Norwegian. Like, romantically Norwegian. What a view! Wow. This is back here. Super nice. Riding is fun. I have a lot more confidence here than I do on gravel. Supposed to get a road somewhere here. Very soon. I hope I do that. Oh shit. Huh. Okay, let's try. Like the whole town is closed, so I can't get a coffee. But luckily I got my own coffee. Good spot. Well, this has been a fun day. Another fun day. Can't hear anything. This is nice. Well, I guess welcome to Røros, Bergstaden, mountain city. According to legend, this reindeer, is the beginning of the city, because
or it's not really legend, it's actually a true story. A guy called Hans Aasen is the founder of this city after he was hunting reindeer in these mountains, and as the reindeer was sort of fighting for its life, he kicked up some moss, and the rock underneath was shiny. It was full of copper, and that's how Mr. Aasen got an idea to start mining copper here, and that's how this city developed. It was the sort of the copper capital of Norway and of Europe for a while, I think. And now most of it is just memorabilia. The copper mines are closed, but you can still see remnants of them all over here. And there are a lot of museums, and you can walk on the piles of the, what's it called? In Norwegian it's called slug, like the leftovers from the copper production. It's a really nice city. I would definitely recommend visiting here. If you want to learn a little bit more about it, you can watch our video that I posted last year when we also ended up here. It's sort of on the way home from Oslo, so every time I go down there I usually ride through here. But now I am almost home, about 3 hours of mostly highway home. So this is the end of this trip. It has been amazing. Thank you so much to Christian and Elias for bringing me along on their journey to the west side of Norway. And then thank you to everyone that I met in Oslo. It's always nice to go there and see people again. I have a lot of friends there, and it's sort of perfect timing to go there, because it was the day after the city opened up again after almost a year of lockdown. So that was kind of cool. If you were wondering how we did in the National Roasting Championship, we placed 4th, which is not great, but it's not terrible either. But congratulations again to Simo, who won, roaster for a company called Solberg & Hansen. He has won 4 years in a row now. He's sort of unbeatable in this competition. He's really good, so he deserves it. Now I'm just gonna drink my coffee, and then I'm gonna hit the road, the highway home. And also thank you to Dennis and Lasse, who invited me to their podcasts, motorcycle podcasts, Motorsykkelpodden and Rally.Nor podcast. They are both in Norwegian, unfortunately. But if you understand Norwegian, I would recommend checking them out. Really cool podcasts. But I hope you have enjoyed this little journey of mine for the past couple of weeks. And this last episode on the Tets. This was, for me, a lot of fun. A bit scary, because this was actually the first time riding off-road completely solo on my own with a fully packed bike. Now that's out of the way, now I can just continue. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next episode. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss the next episode. Don't really know what that's going to be about yet, so we'll see what happens. But peace out.